I just realized I actually did not. I paused my camera and didn't record the entire wash process. Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Amazon AMA to the ZON, and in today's video, it is wash day. Finally, you guys. I just hope that even after recording this intro, I'm able to get through with this wash day because the weather is so cold, guys. The weather is so freaking cold. But my hair needs to be taken care of, which is part of the struggle, yo. But if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the like button and then also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's dive straight into today's video. Okay, boom, you guys may have seen this already on my Instagram if you're following me on Instagram, but if you've not, boom, I have the Adan Idet range of products here, and this is what I'm going to be using today to wash my hair. So if the exposure is getting crazy, ignore it. I'm using natural light and I can't change nothing about that. So, and I have the black soap moisturizing shampoo. Now this shampoo contains castor oil and moringa, and you guys don't want to know, like, you don't even want to know, this shampoo is amazing. Okay, I've used the first set, and this is a new and modified formula, and I did do like an unboxing on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you missed out on that, but you're gonna see the texture when I start using it. Also, we have the deep conditioner. Yo guys, this is what is making this wash day exciting for me. The fact that I get to actually deep condition my hair after so long. You guys ignore all the sound, the noise and everything. My room is literally near the road, and the moving vehicles, they should just sit down one place. God damn it. Okay, part of the struggles of being a YouTuber in Nigeria, a small YouTuber anyways. So this is the deep treatment mask with bamboo extract and palm kernel oil. Look at that. That is so rich, you guys. I did do a texture shot on Instagram. Go check it out. Also, I have my mango butter leave-in conditioning lotion. I've actually used this, okay, a couple of times on Instagram as well. Then there is the shea infused hair butter. This is one of my favorite thing about this entire range, the shea infused hair butter, and of course the leave-in conditioner. But today, let's see, maybe the deep conditioner is going to be one of my favorites. And then of course we have the moringa, amla and moringa super hair growth oil. This oil is amazing for your edges and your scalp. If you have itchy scalp, your edges are receding, your hairline is receding and all, scanty hair, this oil is for you. I've actually used this before, okay, this entire range before the deep conditioner was added to the stash. Okay, so let's dive straight into today's wash day. I'm legit going to be skipping pre-po because I should have done that like last night or 2 hours ago. So anybody got time for that? Let's wash this hair, yo. Let's do this. Okay, so I decided to just like have water on my hair, kind of like just rinse my scalp. Let's dive in. So the first product I'm going to be using, of course, is the black soap shampoo. Can you guys see that? It's not going to focus, but yo, I want you guys to see the texture of this. Wow. Guys, look at that. Guys, this shampoo has so much sleep. Can you imagine that? This is not your regular ass shampoo, man. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna try to use a comb just so you guys can see the sleep.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
I just realized I actually did not. I paused my camera and didn't record the entire wash process. We're doing this again. Legit.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
I'm freaking cold. I need to tell you guys this. I'm freaking cold. I told you guys from the start that the weather is so cold. It's been raining and everything. Here's something I need you guys to know about this shampoo. This shampoo actually leaves your hair quickly clean. Does that make sense? More like if you know, there is how your hair feels when you clarify, okay? Now when I mean feel, I mean the quickly clean feeling, okay? And of course look. Apparently it doesn't strip your hair because, can you see? My hair is literally still moisturized, okay? My hair doesn't feel hard or anything. It still feels really soft. Like, if look at that, it still feels so soft, you guys. But my curls pattern were popping, so let's dive into the next process, is the deep conditioning. Woo! It's been ages, y'all. Okay, so guys, I've sectioned my hair into two. Then I also section one section into two, so more like 3 sections now. But this is deep condition, and I like to work my hair in sections because I want this to actually work properly. So this is the Adan Idet deep treatment mask with bamboo extract and palm kernel oil. It smells like bamboo, really smells like bamboo. All right, let's dive into it. So we're gonna take a section of that. So I'm gonna take small. So before then, let's do like a patch test.
Up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it.
Okay, I think this deep conditioner actually has a reasonable amount of slip for a deep conditioner. I mean, it's not a hair gel, so what do you expect? It has a reasonable amount of slip. Look at that.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you
Oh, put the muffins in the freezer. Add it. You see, I just used a small portion, so you could actually use this for 4 to 5 times, okay? If you have the length of my hair, and I did do a lot of coating here, you guys.
So what, so what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
Oh, put the muffins
You
in the
and me
freezer.
just know how it feels when we're falling
What you
in
gonna
love.
do about it?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Let's hit the shower, guys. I'll wash this off and I will come back.